Let's start. Capital A, small a for apple. Capital B, small b for bag. Capital C, small c for corn. Capital D, small d for duck. Capital E, small e for egg. Capital F, small f for fish. Capital G, small g for guava. Capital H, small h for hockey. Capital I, small I for ice cream. Capital J, small j for juice. Capital K, small k for kite. Capital L, small l for lemon.
Subscribe.
Capital M, small m for mango. Capital N, small n for needle. Capital O, small o for orange. Capital P, small p for parrot. Capital Q, small q for queen. Capital R, small r for rabbit. Capital S, small s for snowman. Capital T, small t for tree. Capital U, small u for umbrella. Capital V, small v for vegetables. Capital W, small w for window. Capital X, small x for Xmas tree. Capital Y, small y for yo-yo. Capital Z, small z for zoo.